everyone, welcome to the Movie Guard channel. I hope you're doing well today. We have 3 songs lined up. I'm looking forward to listening to them. Our first song today is going to be Westworld's Sonic Boom Boy. I hope you all enjoy it. Let's check this one out, shall we? That was very interesting. That was a nice little video there. Really nice singing as well, and some great beats as well on top of that. That was a very nice song, that was. I really liked that one. It was very good. I hope you all enjoyed that one. That was a very good song. I can't wait for the second song then. I say we go over there now, shall we, and check that one out.